Tallest 5 buildings in the world. 1 Burj Khalifa, Dubai, UAE. Height, 828 meters, 2,717 feet. Floors, 163. Completed, 2010. Details. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, offering spectacular views from its observation deck. It is a mix of residential, office, and hotel spaces. 2. Merdeka 118, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Height 644 meters, 2,113 feet. Floors 118. Completed 2022. Details. Merdeka 118 is the second tallest building in the world, with a unique design inspired by the Malaysian flag. It houses offices, hotels, and observation decks. 3. Shanghai Tower, Shanghai, China. Height 632 meters, 2,073 feet. Floors 128. Completed 2015. Details. The Shanghai Tower is China's tallest building and features a spiraling design with offices, shops, and entertainment facilities. 4. Burj Al Bayt, Clock Tower, Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Height 601 meters, 1,971 feet. Floors 120. Completed 2012. Details. This building is part of a government complex and is famous for housing the largest clock face in the world. It also includes a hotel and shopping center. 5. Ping An Finance Center, Shenzhen, China. Height 599 meters, 1,965 feet. Floors 115. Completed 2017. Details. This skyscraper is primarily used for offices, a hotel, and residential spaces. It features a sleek, modern design. Thank you for watching.